Citizen of World of Minds, trainer at A Coaching and tester for hypershifters.com, and also blog in Dutch at nieuwewerkenblog.nl and lifehacking.nl. Today I'm going to show you another way, more intuitive way of managing your projects. Why? Because many of us do not have formal project management training, and one way of working in projects could lead to easier planning your projects, going from one to another phase, checking the progress and managing tasks. Especially if you do this using MindManager and some of the add-ins of AHA. The approach we use is working with the 4 phases of World of Minds: think, decide, do, learn, and then do this faster and together. Together is important because now we can work with mind maps online with Catalyst, and I'll show you how we have implemented this in using the add-ins. In MindManager you can add a project template by clicking on map parts, and I've added one for you. This is just an example, you can use your own. This is the one I like. It's divided into these 4 phases: think, decide, do, learn. Think, who is our real client? Also think, is the project plan completed? Decide, is the project team in place? Do, are we going to realize next milestones? I don't want anything more in this phase because this is where I'm going to check progress. And then at the end of the project, what did we learn? And also with the add-in we can automatically generate a progress report in the form of a matrix, and all the tasks can be exported to Excel just as a task list or as a Gantt chart, which I will show you using the projects of Bas. Still is in Dutch, but just to give you a feel. He has 2 projects running. One is about add-ins, the other one is about the live mind mapping. Of course, I'm interested in all the details, but my manager isn't, so she just wants to see a progress report. Therefore I can click on export, use the matrix, export, find a place where I can save the matrix, export, which is an HTML file. Just replace the old file of last week. Now I can see in a browser window what exactly is it that I'm reporting. I can see that color codes are taken into the matrix. If I look at what's behind in the notes, I can click on the notes, and especially with the next milestone I can also see, for instance, the tasks in Excel. So how are we going to realize these tasks? In exactly the same way. We can just file, export, just for tasks from a meeting or a brainstorm, use the one way. If you also want to have a Gantt chart, you use the 2-way. This looks like something like, I'll show you the last one I've generated. It's just an Excel file which synchronizes both ways with the mind map, and where I can choose to either check on the whole list of tasks, or the Gantt chart, or even the resource sheets of all my co-workers. This is the Gantt chart. I can manipulate using these buttons, and I can check out who does what in this project. So I've shown you how you can easily manage progress using a matrix. I've shown you how you can use the Excel export so you can manage your tasks, and this way you can easier manage your projects in a more efficient and intuitive way. Thank you for your attention, and hope to meet you next time. Goodbye.